I'm so angry. Hi, let's put money everywhere. Woo, 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 woo. Let's put money. Oh, let's fill this place with money. No more people are coming. Guys, go away. I need to fill this place with money. Yes, money's raining.
Class.
Dang it. Wait, you don't die when you go through there. Look, I'm not dying. The game's broken. Come on.
Guys, fix the game.
Champ! I just coughed. Just get the coins. Drop a nuke, no thanks.
See a coin. Why would you drop a noob?
Why was I not jumping? Okay, let's press the button.
Oh, that looks so cool. Wait, what?
It's like speedrun 4.
Shoot.
Not on mobile.
Oh, I'm actually really good at it. No, I died. Stupid. Can I go again? Yes.
I keep
I am
coughing.
not.
I'm like choking right now.
Yeah, because you have corona. Oh, you're choking. Guys, send help.
Yeah, guys, call the ambulance. I made it. I'm the only one that made it.
Okay, guys, we're going to share something.
I fell.
So, me and Sugar are going to share how we met each other, okay? We met each other at a birthday party here.
I'm choking on my spit.
Before Corona.
Why am I choking on my
This
spit?
dude stole my coin. Because you are a sandwich too.
I'm just gonna drink some water.
Sandwich wants to be fed. Okay. I'm going to find you so the camera will see me. Welcome to Simon Says. Simon Says Blue. Hey, Matt.
I made it. Made it on the last second. So much people died.
Simon Says Yellow. No! It didn't give me enough time.
Simon says red. Okay, then.
Red, hurry, go.
I have a crown on me.
It doesn't give me... Green, hurry. You're like, bye, Green. Pink, hurry.
Oh, I was already on it. That guy's, I need to find pink. And he didn't notice it was just right there.
Oh, pink.
He's so dumb. Look, I have all the money on pink. You have no money. Haha. Hey! Wait, it says screen recording. Oh, the last screen recording. I forgot it. How did I die? Why do I keep dying? I'm already drink. Oh, it's Piggy!
I'm gonna hide.
Piggy, stop it. You're annoying. The water's...
But I wasn't.
Haha, everyone died except for me. Oh yeah, you can walk on water. I forgot.
Hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
No, that was only 2. That was only 1 minute long. Shut up. No.
We're gonna find.
What? Okay, tell me.
You keep winning. I want to end it.
Cause I keep winning.
Bye, guys.
That's why you should. That's why you
Yeah, I'm
wanna.
sad.
She wants to end the video because I keep winning.
I want to win.
Rainbows.
Yeah, I'm sad.
What's this
Wait,
blue
what
here?
am I supposed to do? Just
Here.
look at them? Oh, I have 115 coins in it.
I have
Oh
101.
my god.
Why can't we press the button?
What happened?
What?
Yeah.
Oh, look, a slingshot. Oh, wait, what? That's you! That's you! That's you!
Doesn't even have
Where's your head? Haha, you have no head.
I'm beautiful.
Your hearts are over here.
Oh.
And your hair's over there.
Guys, somebody. Oh, this is. Wait, we can take a screenshot. Aww.
Now someone else is it. Oh my gosh, I can see through the light. I can see through the light. Haha.
Look, I was moving it.
I got a word. It's my name. Oh, we hop. I thought we
I'm
run.
jumping the highest. Wait, somebody. Wait, what did we get ready?
There's a race. I didn't notice.
Oh, I didn't notice that. I'm like, what? Wait, what are we supposed to do? This is easy. Hi.
This girl looks ugly. Sorry. Girl, if you're watching this, you look ugly. Again?
Oh my god. Yeah. How did these people get ahead of me?
I know,
Oh,
right?
there's some hackers in this game. I can tell. There's hackers. Right? Because, like, I was ahead of everyone, and I was going so fast, and then people just kept moving.
That girl lost. Look at that person.
Poor girl. Ready to fight? No.
I died
I
already.
did this, but I'm really bad at it.
I already died. I'm gonna
Me
put
too.
money
What?
here.
I think it should give us extra health for, like, girls, you know? No, I'm kidding.
You know, when I first started my Roblox account, I said that I'm a boy. This is my I used to have an old account called Pt2 and I made it in 2016.
But you can change it right back.
I know, but I can't figure out the password, so I'm trying to figure out the password. I'm not going to tell the hints that I know about it already. I died. Okay, because then what if someone figures it out and they're probably not going to tell me? I'm only telling you, but please don't say it. I don't want anyone to figure it out.
Wait, Briar Beauty or your other old?
Briar Beauty 231. This is called Briar Beauty 231. Dang it, I died.
But that's your account you're in right now.
No, Briar Beauty 231 is my old account. This is my new account called Briar Beauty 231. That I have the best pets and things. I have limited I have a limited you on that account. It's a panda beanie.
How much was it?
Like 3,000.
Oh, mine was 4,000. Or more. 4,500, I think.
No, I saw it and it was
races
3,000.
every time. Nope, it races every time. I bought it for 4,500. I'm glad players are see-through. Right?
Oh, my friend joined the game.
No! I almost made it. You saw me. Uh-oh. Wait, why am I tiny and everyone else is big? Wait, I'm actually kind of happy.
No, I'm big and everyone else is tiny. Hi, little baby. Why did someone reset? Money. Where's my friend?
I see that coin.
Oh, wait, she doesn't want her name to be in the YouTube video. Okay, at least she left the game.
Is it?
She left the game, so it's fine.
Okay.
Nobody saw.
Just blur it out. Editor. Jessica, please blur it out. And she probably blurred me out.
And Adam, please blur it out. Where's the blue pad? Oh, it's over there. Everyone's racing for it.
Got the coin. Oh, it's just a cannon. I'm just gonna look for coins.
Okay, well, guys, that's it for this video. We're going to do normal elevator next. So, yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye. Okay.
I'm the angriest person right now. It's not even filming.
You have to get. What? What?
Okay, never mind.
Okay, can we play that game where like you're on the water or something like that game? You have to press those buttons. You were
Playing on mobile because both of our computers are being glitchy. Oh, flood escape?
flat
So
escape.
now I guess we're playing soccer. Ooh,
Yeah.
Point. Hey, meanings.
Soccer. Ooh, point.
Yeah. Oh, did you know we are joining him?
Okay.
Wait, can we play Roblox about 10 after Flat Escape?
Okay.